I'm Ronald Wayne Whitfield, recording on Monday, February 5th, 2018. I want to demonstrate for someone, namely judges, that I'm not doing any playing. Okay, this is from the First Court of Appeals. I want to scroll down. And so everyone can see, in this particular case, reverse TC judgment and remand case to TC trial court for further proceeding. As we can see here, opinion issued. There's the judgment issued. And let's look at the judgment. There's the judgment on this side. See, there must be a judgment in the appellate court. There's the judgment. And let's read it. This is not a proper judgment because it doesn't order. It does not have a decretal portion. So that tells me that these justices today have no idea what they're really doing. This is not the court. Well, okay, that's the court orders. So that's what so disregard what I just said. Accordingly, the court, but it should use language such as according. It doesn't read anything the way they used to read in the past. They're totally different. In the past, judgments, they were instruments. They had decretal portions therein, which came on the cause between whoever in the state of Texas and our court, whatever. Then it said it is hereby, excuse me, ordered, decreed, and adjudged that the judgment of the trial court is affirmed in all things, and for which let execution issue. But then actually, okay, then I was correct. This just says the court orders that the decision be certified below for observance. There is no language here. This case is this is an appeal from the final judgment. Notice that final judgment. It's not supposed to be signed, but entered. Or rather, in this case, trial judges do not enter judgment. So this is an appeal from the final judgment rendered by the trial judge on February 4, 2015, after submitting the case on the appellate record and the arguments properly raised by the parties. The court holds. That's not the language. That tells me a lot about what's really going on. These justices have no clue of what they're doing. This is nothing. You have to order. The court orders that. Okay, well, the court holds that there was reversible error in the trial court's judgment below. Accordingly, the court orders reverse the trial court's judgment and orders the case be remanded to the trial court for a new trial. So when you're doing these things, you have to use language that compels or commands the action to be taken. You don't like requests that it be taken. This is a appellate court that's having judicial authority above the court below it, and therefore it is authorized to command the lower court to enforce its judgment. And this would be the judgment of the Court of Appeals above that trial court. And so this language in the decretal portion does not order the lower court to do anything. Where's that language? Accordingly, the court reverses the trial court's judgment and remands case to the trial court for new trial. That's not, but notice right here, it will the language reads that the court orders that this decision be certified below for observing, which means that it would be published in a book. That's all that means. So, all right. I want to close this tab, and so once again, there's an opinion issued. Let's see if I'll go to the opinion. What does it say? Opinion. Oh, okay, I'm hitting the wrong place. Opinion. Oh, and that was a dissenting opinion, I see. So here's the opinion. This is all that I have in my own appeal back in 1993. So this is the opinion. It doesn't do anything. Seems to be a very long opinion. All right, I'll close this tab and refresh. Back, and scroll up. And I'll go to my own case. I will go to my own case. That means I would need to back and back again. Back again. So I went too many times. I want to close that tab. And let's close this one as well. And refresh. That gets me where I want to go. So now we'll type in my information, which will be 0. And it'll pop up. This is my information. And I'll scroll and hit search. Alright. We'll go all the way to the bottom. So the punishment is showing to be 35 years. The court in the case in the court, or rather trial court level, would be cause number 617718, filed in the 174th Judicial District Court of Harris County. There is the name of the appellate attorney for me. So you see the notice of appeal given on June 5th, 1992. And we'll just go up. And, okay, too far up. So right here, opinion issued. It needs to be a judgment like I demonstrated earlier. So let's see if I can find any other judgments. What I did was I want to go back and see if I can find another case to continue to demonstrate, because here these judges, I want to clear the search. They want to have the people think something is wrong with me, like I don't know what's going on, and I do know what's going on. Okay, so I don't want to go that far back. So it seems to be because evidently back in 93, those judges didn't have a clue as to what they were doing. Okay, first Court of Appeals. So click here. that gets me where I want to go. So I think I was in the year 2015. No, I was in the year 2011, just doing a year. Then I want to again go to case submission, and then I'll scroll. Okay, so I did something wrong. I don't normally be on this website, so I did document search, case mail, case submission, event report. No. So backspace. How did I get there? Backspace again. Okay, that's the year 2011. It wouldn't be case mail. Document case search. Did I do that? No. So backspace. I guess one case is enough. Released OPM. I'm gonna go once again to let's see, I'll pause it. I will pause it. I want to resume recording. See how I done that. So, this is a civil matter, so I want to stick with criminal. When you see CR, that means criminal. And I'll click here. See if I see another judgment. If this case, okay, this case is still pending. All this time? It's been on appeal for quite some time. Yeah, it's been on appeal. Not necessarily. Not really. Okay, so go back. Let me find and know what I'm looking for. Here's another one, 116. Let's see if it's been disposed of. Okay. So, see if it's been disposed of. Down. This one is still pending as well. And it's going all the way back. Well, yeah, still pending. Late brief, so backspace. Scroll. That's 17. 16. 17. So it's pretty much that this ought to be done with. Submission. They still got a lot of cases. Case ready said that they sitting on these cases for some time. Here's another criminal case. See if this one been disposed of. So what I'll do is this. If I can go back a little further. Try one more. So it's pretty much the same. Back button. Back button. So that's 2011. Let's go back to about 2008. and submission. So it's something I'm doing wrong here. This did not get me where I want to go. But nevertheless, I did do what I wanted to do. I don't normally be on this course website. Case search, released opinions. So this is 2008. And it's okay. Then I forgot you supposed to hit released opinions. And it's buffering, and but that didn't do anything. 2008. If I hit refresh, okay. So hit refresh. All right, got it. So that got me into 2008. Then I want to hit case submission. That does not get me that year. Sure doesn't. Well, let me try one more thing. No, I'm not figuring things out. Okay, that's 2008. Well, if I click on that, what'd it get me? Style. That's a civil case. So back. And if I hit release opinions, no good. So back. Get me back to 2018. And then refresh. Okay, 2008. I hit that one, so why not case submission? Still nothing. But let me see if I can try this. Go back. Just put in any number. 2008. Document search. Case search. So clear this. Then type in 01 dash 08 dash 00617 dash CR and see what happens. 18 minutes gone by. Should be a criminal case. Should be able to get a criminal case. And I did. But it's a habeas corpus type. But it's nonetheless criminal. Oh, I got ideas here. So mandate acknowledge. See, here we go. I knew God doggone well I could figure something out here. All right. Memorandum opinion issued. There's the judgment issued. Yep. I just typed in anything. I just realized that what they're doing, yeah, it was simple. It was simple. Just they continue to use a number system, and that's what I just realized. Use the number, use the same. I typed in my own number, case number, and I just because they got the civil numbering system And they got their criminal numbering system. So you put CV, what will get you civil, CR will get you criminal, and you just change the year. That's all I did, was just change the year, but use the same format, numbering system. So what I have here, I have a mandate. So here's a memorandum of opinion. So judgment issued, but we're not going to see the judgment. It's not showing the judgment. Should have the judgment, as you can see, it should have had, but it is saying that a judgment was issued, but we can't see it because it's, so what I want to do, I'll just keep, let me see if this changes anything. Galveston County, memorandum of opinion. This is the same number I had. Just that if I put in 92, mine will come up. That's all I did, was change that. My pit bull wants to act that way. So let me see what this will do. Same thing, unless it was two opinions. So I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. Let me join on mandate. Okay, so let me try another one. But you know, it's showing that a judgment was issued, but of course we didn't see that judge. But the point to be made is this: there must be a judgment. So I want to go to case search. That'll get me that. I want to just change the only, bam, change the year to 2007 by putting in a 7. Keep that and scroll down. Okay, come out of that and then scroll down. And I will always get a criminal case. Just change the year. And what did I get here? If anything, what did I do wrong? Sam 01-0700. Case search. Didn't get anything. I'm surprised. So take out the 7 and put in a 6 and scroll. Oh, criminal, and scroll down to search. Yep. Okay, here's one for possession of a controlled substance. See, looking for a judgment. Mandate issued. Memorandum of opinion issued. Court of Criminal Appeals refuses petition for discretionary review. But here, this guy does not have a judgment. What is his name? Just a memorandum of opinion. Affirm trial court's judgment. How? Where's the judgment to do so? So that just shows me that these justices in office today, they have very little clue. Now, they may be good in some things such as speaking, but as far as how the administration aspect of this, now they good at writing their opinions and affirming cases. Let's go to 05. That's 2000, the year 2005. But you also have to know the administration of the criminal justice system as well as of the civil cases. So is this anything? Okay, it's case search 05. This did not, for some reason, get me a criminal case. Let me search again. The search button again. And it is criminal. So I don't know why. I'm getting some I get, and others I haven't. I'm not getting. So I want to change the year from 05, 2005, and put in a 4. And Sam, I'm coming, please. I think he's just like to act that way. Like every other. Yeah, really right. Okay. Okay, let me change it to 3. 2003. 03. So then, well, I thought I had a good system here working okay, burglar of a building. Okay, Pedro Angel Alonso. Sam, I'm trying to join church if you allow me. Okay. Record dude. All these, wait a minute now. Notice of appeal file. Notice of appeal received in COA from trial court, case transferred from this court to another court of appeals. Okay. I get you. So, backspace. Sam, I'm almost done. You know why I got you locked up? Because you keep using the restroom everywhere. Everywhere. With, you know. Okay. What have I got here? Nothing. So, this will be the year 2001. And see what I get. You're right. Nothing. Okay, then let's go to, so what we'll do, we'll go to year 1999. 99. And scroll down. So I'm finding some cases. Search. Okay, here's one other felony. This guy's name is Greg George Rio Mendez Cruz. What happened in this matter? Another one transferred to another court of appeals. Okay. To the 13th Court of Appeal. So, what we want to do is go back and refresh and scroll up. And now I want to go to year 1998. Keeping the same format. That would be the correct terminology to use. What do I get? Okay, yet another criminal case. Attempted murder. Was this one also transferred to another court of appeals? No. But he has no judgment. Like me, he has no judgment. Mandate issued. Wow. And none of the documents have been scanned in. Oh, so what? Oh, this is the judge that was in the court I was in. So he got 3 years for, according to this. I've seen this attorney before. I mean, not seen, but his name. Who was the court reporter is not known. Okay, judge. Okay. So, order entered, otherwise disposed. Order entered, abate case. Oh, okay, well, no, abate back to the trial court. Order requesting brief due. So here there's only opinions. That means this guy's if that was, I know there's no judgment in the trial court as well. Say I'm okay, you don't trust me or believe me. Ooh. So I'll do 2 more, then I'm out of here. Sam, I'm gonna do 2 more, and we're gonna be out here. So we're gonna go to 96. Well, take it all the way down to my case. I can do it quickly. Take this and put in a 7. The year 1990. Sam, don't do that, please. You're just acting silly. You're just acting silly, and you know it. Bam. Okay. Whatever. Yeah. I know you're not. Come on, Sam, please. You just acting silly. Listen how you sound. Listen to you. What? He likes to get on my nerve. A pit bull. Puppy. Acting silly. Sam. Okay, please. Wow. Whatever. I told you, I'm going to get your groceries or your food, and I'm getting it. Yeah. If you would quit using the restroom everywhere, then you wouldn't have to be locked in your cage or your house. So that's whatever. Okay, here's another drug possession. I hate doing him like that, but he wants to use the restroom everywhere. Mandate issued. Opinion. See, those are just opinion. That makes the case still pen in the appellate court, and when the Court of Criminal Appeals, receive these matters, that court is supposed to look in the record for the judgment. That tells the court whether or not it has jurisdiction. Caden, calling my baby's name, my son's name. He likes to. When I go in there, then he gonna act like it's all good. Sam, you make it sound like somebody's been mistreating you. Yeah, cause see, now here comes my own 92, so mine should pop up. He makes it sound like someone's mistreating him. No one's mistreating you. You just keep boo-booing and urinating everywhere. And I have to continue to clean it up. So here's my own case. So we don't need to see that one again. So we'll just backspace again and go to 1991. Hit refresh. And but the thing is, when you see the judgment, oh, that was 94. Wow, wait a minute. What happened here? That wasn't my case, right? Mine is not 94. So that was someone else's case. He's getting me confused. Sam. So this is 94. This is drug possession. I thought I was in 92. So, yet again, it appears, I think, that there's no, just opinion. So that means that this individual's case remained pending. So backspace. Okay. You just won't give me enough time. So take out the 4, put in a 3. Look how he wants to sound. Trying to get on my nerve. Yeah, so I guess there's nothing there to see. Okay, then we know, of course, 92 will get that. Now this 92 is the year 019200. That's me right here coming. Sam, please learn some patience. Okay, that's me. So 92. I think I'll just go to 90 because he's gonna distract me with this acting silly. So, just acting silly. 94, so I did 91. The year before, my so-called appeal was there. Sam, please. Okay, this is other felony, Parish Canal. So this was transferred. Oh, Francis B. Madden. Well, 90. Okay. Yeah, well. Whatever. If you start learning how to behave, then other felony, Cochran James Daniel. Mandate issued. So a lot of these cases, opinions, no judgment. So I'm done with it. Well, this is 90. This is somewhat hard to believe, but you have to believe it because you see it. So I'm gonna go to 1989. 1989. Now back then, these judges here, now they knew what they were doing, and the clerks. So this got me nowhere. 88. Guess I'll stop at the year I start getting criminal. They search. Sexual abuse or rape of child. Wow. How could he person be so evil? No judgments. So I don't know what's wrong with these people. All right, I'm done. Thank you.